You've read the books, you've watched the motivational videos, you've put in the hours. But look at your life. Be honest. You're still exactly where you were last year. Is it bad luck? No. Is the system rigged? Maybe. But there is a much bigger reason why you're failing, and it's something you're doing every single morning. Let's talk about the success trap. Most people think success is about adding more work, more hustle, more stress. But the Stoics taught us that mastery is actually about subtracting. It's about removing the ego, the distractions, and the obsession with results. You're failing because you're obsessed with the trophy, but you hate the training. To fix this, you need to flip the script. Stop measuring your day by what you achieved and start measuring it by what you resisted. Did you resist the urge to quit? Did you resist the distraction? That is where the win happens. Success isn't coming to save you. You have to build the bridge to it, one brick at a time. If you're ready to stop making excuses, type committed in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Stay wise.